Hello and welcome to Zimbabwean Media. In some latest developments, a prominent Zimbabwean lawyer and a prophet, Advocate Joshua, has pleaded with the citizens to pray for the former First Lady Grace Mugabe, praying particularly for her health.
Pray. Pray for grace. Pray for grace. Pray for grace. Pray for grace. I tell you this. And you are there seated, relaxing. Good things always are going to be attracted to people who are able to pray for others. We pray for it. Pray for your health. Pray for your health. Pray for your travel. Pray for your health. Pray for your travel. Two things. So you ought to intercede for her. You see, there are spirits which will always want to pull other people to the same place merely because the other person is in that other place. So you notice there are what are called spirits which take advantage of certain situations. So there is that situation which has already happened there. Now to create a pair, there are occurrences that happened. So this is the reason why I always sound an alarm. A widow in a place of this loneliness cannot be taken to a place of weeping. No matter how lonely they become, no matter how estranged they become, it is our duty as God's people to pray for her.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.